Alright, we definitely got the Chembow going on. There's freaking birds everywhere, what the frick. It's like that Alfred Hitchcock movie, man, the birds, almost. Feels like that. I mean, is there bugs or something up there? That I don't see no bugs. Hey, there's been a bug. And maybe there's bugs around or something that you're catching up. Oh yeah, there's another one. So, okay, so I seen two bugs. And some of these birds are making kind of funky movements, like swoopies. Like maybe they're, yeah, maybe there is bugs. And that's what it is. Yeah, there. One just landed on my arm. There he is. What the heck is that? Look at him. Wow. He wants to be on camera. Sup?